Alright, in this video, I'm going to do the count of the dollar in the video just to show you where we're at and why I still, while it could be a fifth wave, I still believe this is a B wave. And so we're going to start here at the top. We're going to start on the monthly chart. And this is how it came to the count. So if you go back here, I'm going to go through all the way down to the 30-minute time frame. Down here on March 3rd, 2008, we hit the very bottom ever in the dollar. It's never been that low. It was at 70. So we had the first wave here, pretty clear. Then we have A, B, C, second wave. Third wave, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, third wave. So that took 9 years to get to the third wave. Then we have an A, B, C, fourth wave. And that was in January of 2021. Remember we had that big growth stock where they exploded? Well, that was because the dollar was losing value. So you can see when the dollar loses value corresponds with growth stocks a lot. They need, well, stocks in general too. But especially growth stocks, they can't go up when the dollar is getting stronger, basically. So then we get here on the weekly chart, and we have a first wave here, second wave right here, and third wave presumably right here. Let's zoom in on the second wave and just go through the count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, and then if I go down in time frame to the daily, let's say we're at 4 right here. So we're at 4 right there. Let's go down to the daily now. I guess the fourth would be right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how I came to this third wave right here. So we have 1, 2, 3. And then we got this big move from May. And you can't see it right here, but if we go down in time frame, let's go to the 2 hour now, it becomes pretty obvious. So if that's the third wave, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A. And see how that's definitely not that's an impulsive move right there. That's an A wave, that's impulsive. So then we have here, which I presume to be a B wave, as the dollar keeps on getting stronger. We have A, B, C, A, B. If you zoom in here on the 30-minute time frame, you can see this is a first wave, second wave, third wave, and here's where it gets kind of crazy. We have, third wave should be right here. A, B, C down here for the fourth wave. And then this is where it gets crazy. You get to really zoom in on this part. We have 1, this is an extended fifth wave, definitely. 1, 2, and if you take the fib retracement tool, you'll see that the third wave basically hits right at the 1.61 fib. You see a few red bars right in there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this fifth wave, we have, I think it's probably most likely going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. So let's do this one more time. This is actually a first wave. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. So that would make it the fifth wave. This is an extended fifth wave for sure. So we have, if we zoom back out, we have A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then within that we have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 of 5, which should also be C. So 16C. So we'd have the end of C, 5, and 5. And that would also be B. So see how complicated this can get. But you can see the reasoning of why I think this still is a B wave. Other people are saying that is a fifth wave. But if you zoom in, this is definitely impulsive. This is not impulsive to me. This is A, B, C, A, B, and then you have this extended fifth wave for the C wave to complete the B wave. Now, what kind of wave would it be if this is correct? Let's go here, and you can look at all the different. This would be a expanded flat. So we have the A wave, and the B wave goes 123% of the A wave. So let's see where we're at on this. And it's not quite 123%, but it's gone past the A wave, and that's all that matters. So if that's right, which according to my count it is, and look at how oversold this is, or overbought this is, at 91 too. It's another thing that's making me feel like it's a B wave. And then also SPY, I thought that possibly could go to 368, nothing lower than that. It looks like it might be doing that, down to 373. And so if this is correct, where does it go after that? Wave C can go 123% to 161% of wave AB. So if we go, let's say that's the top right there. That would mean that the dollar would come down all the way to 100 to 98.84, and remember my target is 99.13. And so I just wanted to go through the chart, zoom in, go through the count a little bit, and show you why I still think it's a B wave. The dollar is pretty complicated because you have to zoom all the way out to 2008, and then you have to zoom all the way in to figure it out. But if you also look at the monthly chart, you can see that if it is a third wave, it hasn't even started the fourth wave yet. We've had 1, 2, 3. But if it were to fall to 99 or 100 here within the next 17 days, then you definitely see a red bar, which would qualify as a fourth wave. And then, like I said, I have August being the move higher going into early August. That would give us a red bar on June and July, kind of similar to this, down in this area, and then we would have the final move down on SPY after, if you watch my video on SPY, we would get this move as the dollar goes down to 99 to 100, and then when the dollar made its fifth wave move, we would get the plunge down to 330 or 340. So just wanted to do a more in-depth count on this video to show you why I think what I think. And even on the monthly chart, you can see how overbought this is. And look what happened last time it was there. It was right here and it came all the way down. So I think that there's a good chance that at least comes down, maybe and gets back into this area. And then we have a rally in the market and a rally in growth stocks. And then after that rally, it finally sells off for the last time.